Shot. Rebound by number 21 is good. Score 2-0 in favor of Zach. Layup by number 2 is good. Number 2, Moreno. Now Yapsako. Looking for receiving. Pass to number 10. It's stolen by number 10. Back to number 21. Layup is good. 6-0 run. 21. Now they are loose. Harassed by 2 defenders. It's stolen by Moreno. Pass to number 21 again. Score 8-0. Rebound by number. Now number 2. Shot. 8. Time remaining 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Now Giro Yapsanto taking a gentle no good. Rebound by number 2. Pass by number 11, Agrimana. Now attacking the lane, no look pass to number 4. Shot no good. Rebound by Yapsanto. Now number 12. Attacking the lane with the shot, no good, rebound by Moreno. Number 2, with 3 rebounds, stolen by De La Cruz. No pass is stolen by number 2, Moreno. Second steal of the day, no pass again, but a turnover. Now Rivera inbounding the ball, pass to number 12. Giro Yapsanto. Number 2. Attacking the lane. Floater is good. First 2 points for Team Tap Out. Lane violation. Tap out ball. Dalawang half lang yan. Stolen by number 21. Ligaran. Another pass to number 2 Moreno. Moreno. Shoot. 33. Assist by 21. Stolen by Moreno. Another steal by the youngster. Let's see layup. No good. Rebound secured by number 12. Shout out sa ating cameraman, si Jerome, ang bida ngayon. What a shot by number 11. Agreement. Now number 2, Moreno. Behind the back. No pass, number 21, Legrand. Shot, no good. Rebound secured by number 35. Alfonso is stolen by number 21 again. Second steal by Miguel. Pass to number 10. Floater is good. Score is 12-4 with 6 minutes and 10 seconds. First game, Onyx versus Atlantic Basketball. Already on 4 steals for number 2, Moreno, and assist for 44.
J.
Now, the youngster from base 11, De La Cruz. Number 6, another steal by Moreno. We brush up layup. 5 steals already for number 2. Moreno with 4 points. Now again, another steal, but team tuck in, and a layup is good. 10 points already for Ligeran. Oy, another steal by number 2 Moreno. Layup by a foul on number 12. Yes, first personal foul. First team foul. First try for Moreno. First try for the lefty. Shot, no good. Yeah, second try is good. 5 points already for Moreno. Now number 12, Gianzano. Shots in the good. Rebound by Gianzano. His third rebound and 4 points already on his team. The lead is down to 13 with 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Now, Ligaran, long two, short, rebound, but knock out ball. Yes, Sako. Haras by number 21 and number 10 with a steal. Second steal for number 10, another pass to number 21, number rebound by Moreno. Another 2 points for Team Top 8. 4 rebounds and 7 points. Another steal, counter steal by Sako. But third over. Maganda na. Next game, uy! Well, turn around by number 2. Now, Gio. Ian Sampo zigzagging with a closer. No good. Rebound by number 4. Uy! No pass number. Rebound by Rivera. Oh, yeah. Now, Rivera. Number 5. The long tall number 5 with a closer. It's good. What a coast to coast. Layup by Rivera. Parang pumupuntos pa yung ano. Rebound secured by number 11, Agremana. Oh, stolen by number 10, St. Josh. Shot, no good. Rebound secured by number 5, Rivera. Now another coast to coast. No, but a drop and a foul. Not good. Not bad. First personal foul, 2 free throws for number 5, Ethan Rivera. Next game, Denan Parico. First try is good for Ethan. Shout out sa Tatay Ethan. Second try, no good. Rebound! Well, rebound by Guerrero. Now Guerrero, another behind the back. Stolen by Alfonso. Now Young Sampo. Oh yeah. Stolen by Guerrero. His 4th steal. Assist number 4. Shot is good. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Now Young Sampo. Another, oh yeah. Single. Shot clock is 14 seconds. Now Young Sampo. Pass to number 6, Villalobos. The smallest guy on the floor. Harassed by number 10. Oh, you got a foul on number 10. Time remaining 39.6 seconds. Now Alfonso. Now to Young Sampo. Shots. No good. Rebound is stolen. Oh, counter steal by Team Takin. Now number 4. No pass to number 2. Is good. Assist by number 4. While a suffocating defense by Team Tuck Out Tuck In. Official score 25-8. 22 seconds. Shot clock is
Hindi kasi malayo nga nakaraan. Sobra naman.
Now, Alfonso. Stolen by Moreno. Another pass number 21. And that's 9.9 seconds. First strike for Liquirana is good. Official score 26-8 in favor of Tuck In. Or second, number rebound. Same ball, Tuck In ball. Last 7.9 seconds. Now to Moreno. 5 seconds. Back in the lane, the sticker with the layup is good. Parang si Brian lang yun, ang kabataan niya. Now number 5, Rivera. Pass number 25, Alfonso. Shot no good. Rebound by number 8. Now to number 2. Forward Rivera. Oh! Aray, basa. Aray. Now to Sago. Still a 19-point lead for Team Tuck In. Low by Sago, no good. Rebound secured by number 12. And a pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by Alfonso. Fadeaway jumper, no good. Rebound by number 10. Out the pass, number 21. There is the basket for number 9. Wow, what number? 25. Free throw shot is good for Liquirana. Now Liquirana with 14 points. Stolen by number. Oy, Malaya.
Overshoot.
Now to the youngster, number 6, De La Cruz, showing his dribbling skills. Oh, nice pass. He stolen by the way. Another brush up there. Parang may kilala kong ganun ah. Ito yun eh. Nagbabash up. Parang kumayawang pa. Parang yung ganito eh. First game yun, alam ko eh. Stolen by Team Tuck In. Now Yapsako harassed by 2 defenders. Uy! What a separation move from the defenders. Stolen by number 4. Now to number 10. Mr. Hughes the John, blocked by number 5. Shout out sa aking cameraman. All alone. Now number 10 by number 3. Rebound secured by number 4. Now to number 2. Pass to number 4. Foul on number 5. Rivera. For free throw shots for number 4. First slice. Number 21 with an offensive rebound. So number 2, pass to the ground, pull up, no good. Rebound by Yapsapo, number 12. His 7th rebound of the game. Pass to the ground. Back to Yapsapo, floater, no good. Rebound by Yapsapo, 8 rebounds already. And 6 points. 32-10 is the score. Parang cellphone lang. Now number 10, help is good. Hindu. Now Alfonso, pass up Rimana, turnover. Now to number 21, shot by Nigeran. Voila. Production for number 21. Already 16 points, 4 assists, 1 rebound and 5 steals. Nigeran only there, no good. Number 10. Shot is good. Lead violation, last 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Next game. Who's gonna win? It's basketball or Team Atlantic Basketball? Now we have Sambo. Pass to number 10. Strong number 10. Out there. Pass to number 21. There by Nicaragua. Pass to number 10 is good. Now number 10 already has 8 points. Now we have Sambo. The youngest Sambo. Now Moreno. So look pass to number 21, a lot of connection, but a rebound by number 10, a rebound and a follow-up, 10 points for number 10. Scored by number 2, led by number 4, no good, rebound secured by Didi. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Now number 3, no good. Rebound by number 10, Lutzer, but number 10 is good. 12 points for number 10. Oh yeah! The swing ball, almost a steal by the up and coming passing stepping number 2. So, counter steal by Agrima. Oh, steal by number 21, Nigaran. 6 steals and an assist to number 2, Moreno. Alfonso. Andito na ang yellow, Alfonso. Now, first to boy, overshoots the rebound, secure by number 4. Yeah. Game 1. Matatawahan ba ng panalo?
Sagat naman niya.
Sino sa kanila? 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Number 21, Leo is good. Official score 14-10. Last 2 minutes. This game is brought to you by Rising Colors Under 13.
Rep, di makita rep. Thank you rep.
Number 10, shot number 3 by number 10. Fourth rebound. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Shout out sa pare mo. Good morning. Stolen by number 10. Another 2 points for number 10. 16 points. Oh, 14 points.
Grabe.
Stolen by number 4. Now number 25, Alfonso, foul on number 2. Last 1 minute. Warning for penalty. Oi! And number 10, Sable. What a shot by number 4.
Wala. Tinapon ko na.
Nice. Stolen by number 10. Left in the rebound by Ethan. Stolen by number 21. Rebound by number 4. 30 seconds. Ligaran takes a 3. Ligaran. 4-3. Number 11. Stolen by number 2. Moreno. Grabe naman. Stelzo. Pagkain. Ano naman yung player? Binigyan ng pagkain. Last 15 seconds. No pass by Moreno. No. Stolen by Yansao. 10 seconds remaining. Next game. Maganda na kayo. Wala sa Florida Joker. Rebound by Alfonso. Shot.